Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to find the time constant for the given network. The formula for time constant tau is equal to RC. The procedure of finding here is, so when you have an voltage source, this voltage source has to be replaced with its equivalent circuit. So the equivalent circuit is indirectly deactivating this 10 volt source. Deactivating an 10 volts voltage source is nothing but making the voltage as 0. How to make the voltage is indirectly make that voltage source as a short circuit. Okay, and already the capacitance is only one given, which is nothing but 1 farad as per the given question. And now just deactivate the voltage source and remove the current source. Okay, sorry, deactivate the voltage source, and the capacitor has to be replaced with its open circuit. So capacitor also has to be open circuit. Do these two replacements in the above circuit, then automatically the network is replaced as. So this is short circuited, and here you are going to have 2 ohm, and here you are going to have 2 ohm, and here you are going to have 1 ohm. And now this network, the capacity is open circuited, and you can see here the network is purely an resistive network, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and this is also 2 ohm. And from here we need to find out R equivalent. So you can see here the current enters and current is going to divide. So whenever the current gets divided, I can confirm that these two are connected in parallel. Okay, so whenever these two are connected in parallel, so then you are going to get a single resistor like this, and another resistor like this. So whenever these two are connected in parallel, so it is nothing but product of resistance 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, which is nothing but here we are going to get it as 1 ohm, and this value is 1 ohm. So from this side, looking from this side, you have to calculate R equivalent. So the current flows like this, and current will flow in the remaining resistor. I can say now these two resistors are once again connected in series. So whenever they are connected in series, then you are going to get a single resistor 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2 ohm. So this is the value of R equivalent. R equivalent value is 2 ohms. Very simple. You can see here, replace the voltage source with short circuit and replace the capacitor with open circuit. These two are connected in parallel, then you're going to get 1 ohm, and this is only 1 ohm resistor. Again, these two are connected in series connection, therefore 1 plus 1 is 2, so therefore R equivalent is 2. So from here, R equivalent is equal to 2 ohm. The formula for time constant tau is equal to RC. R is nothing but, so it's nothing but R equivalent into C equivalent. R is 2 and C is 1. Therefore the time constant you are going to get for the given problem is 2 seconds. Hope you are able to understand. So if you get voltage source, deactivate that voltage source, make it as a short circuit. So unfortunately, in the given problem, and current source is given, so replace the current source with an open circuit. And if any inductor is given or if any capacitor is given, just replace the inductor or capacitor with an open circuit and find out L equivalent as well as R equivalent. Just try to solve the problem. Hope you are able to understand the logic of solving the problem. These category of problems are very important in gate point of view. Hope you are able to understand. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video. Please share the video with your friends, those who are studying the subjects. So if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi. Thank you for listening patiently. We'll meet in the another video. Thank you. Yours obediently, Ram.